Say goodbye to clutter and hello to productivity. If you're a HoneyBook user or someone considering this all-in-one small business platform, I've got the best news for you. Drumroll, please. The HoneyBook Home Page just got a sweet new upgrade. Introducing the Home Customization feature. And let me just say, I'm obsessed. Now you can personalize your dashboard with flexible widgets so that you can see only the information that matters most to you and your business. You can drag, drop, reorder, and even hide widgets to create the perfect workflow. In this video, I'll show you how to take control of your HoneyBook experience so that you can stay focused and get more done. And with that, let's dive into today's tutorial. In order to customize your dashboard, you first want to navigate to the dashboard, aka the home button. From here, you can click this customize button to the right of your logo, and it will open up another window. Once inside, there are a handful of options. Starting with metrics, you can toggle on if you want to show your 2025 bookings in the top ribbon up here. So basically, it would be a fourth column and it would say you have $5,000 in bookings right now, $20,000, etc. You can also toggle which widgets you have on your dashboard. So you can show if you want leads to show, your calendar, you can toggle them on or off. Once you toggle something off, it will shift the view as you saw just now, and it will move one of those widgets into the hidden panel. Now I want to bring the calendar back, so I'm going to toggle that back on. And then I'm going to click and drag it back up. Now, as you can see, I can actually reorder all of these. Let's say I wanted leads, calendar, and then create to be able to perform tasks pretty quickly. I can just start moving them in whatever way works best for me. I can even click this over here, move that over there, and it really is fully customizable. So again, by flipping these switches on or off, that will toggle if it's accessible on your dashboard. If you toggle it off, it will bring it into a hidden panel here. And if you ever want to bring it back into your dashboard, simply toggle it back on. Thanks so much for watching this HoneyBook feature announcement. If you want to watch more feature updates, tap this playlist because I have a slew of other videos that are perfect for you. And if you're looking for other HoneyBook quick tips and more in-depth tutorials, click this one over here. And consider subscribing so that you never miss a future video. And until next time, keep making good out there.